we're gonna be replacing these seat inserts with these I picked up from P1 Designs. So that matches the paint, and then the blue little parts matches the stitching of the car. Very simple to replace. You just kind of stick your finger in there, and then you just yank. And the original cushion comes out just like that. Now both the top and bottom are out, and these go in. Alright, so that side is in, looking good. And we have the passenger side next. Let's see. Alright, we'll take out the top first. Same method, pull it out. We'll leave it there for a second. And the bottom is a little more tricky. There's like this little hook thing, metal thing that you gotta pull out, and then you pull this out. But for 992 models, the airbag sensor on the passenger side is actually in the foam cushion. So for that side, the whole foam piece can be replaced, but on this side, it's just a seat cover. So I have to retain the factory foam and then put on a new cover. So we'll do that. This is the cover for the passenger side, because if you can see here, that's the airbag sensor for the passenger side. So that's stuck into the foam. So better to just leave that in there and replace this cover. All right, the bottom's in with the airbag sensor. Here goes the top. Just slide the bottom in, push around the edges, make sure the top goes in flush, center it, and then puff it out in place. You gotta fill that hole a little bit to puff it out a little bit more. It's not really straight. All right, so these are the original cushions from the GT3. The top, the bottom cover passenger side, and the bottom cover driver side.